good morning to one and all. Today, I, Kulpreet Kaur of class 80 and Arshkeet Kaur of class 50 welcome you all to today's Christmas assembly. We have with us our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress, in charges and all our respected teachers. We all are super blessed under the leadership and guidance of such visionary mentors at a school who give us such beautiful opportunities to get together and celebrate together. Not only we are studying consistently through online classes, but we are creating so many memorable events, festivities, celebrations together that we shall always cherish and look back fondly at them once these tough times of pandemic are over. So let's begin by offering our gratitude to the Almighty with the morning prayer.
O great God in the heaven above, as I fleet and faith and love, we thy little children gather, calling on you as our Father. Guide us all the way, draw us closer day by day. Keep us pure, kind and true, till we reach our home with you. Amen.
A small positive thought can change our life, so brighten our day with the thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought for the day is Christmas is the great season of joy, a time for remembering the past, hoping for the future. May this glorious message of peace and love fill you with joy during this wonderful season. Merry Christmas.
Have you ever wondered what makes Christmas so special and makes it the most awaited festival of the year? Making our entire winter warm, pleasant and vibrant with its wide myriad of colors and rhythm. Let's have the information on Christmas. Christmas brings a spirit of cheer across the entire world. This festival is celebrated to mark the arrival of Jesus Christ into this world. It is believed that the birth of Jesus was prophesied when he was born to Mother Mary in a small stable. This festival has found widespread popularity among all people irrespective of their religion or community. Christmas decorations like Christmas trees adorned with bells, balls, glitters and stars are a big attraction. It is all about spending time with your family by baking sweet cakes and sharing it with each other. People exchange gifts and many are told about an imaginary Santa Claus bringing gifts for them each year. The true spirit of Christmas is to share and be empathetic towards others by helping each other out in need because sharing and caring are secrets of living. They are the soul of any Christmas celebration. A Christmas celebration would be absolutely incomplete without them. Can you guess what? Yes, Christmas carols. So let's go on a musical trip and enjoy some carols.
Hello everyone, I'm Mistress of class 30. I want to sing a carol, Joy to the World. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let God receive her King. Let every heart prepare him new. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Sonakshi. I'm from class 6G and today I'm telling you a poem on Christmas. A pound of fun and a pound of joy make an ice for girl and boy of goodness and a cup of love. Really are gifts from heaven above. A pinch of a holy and a pinch of pine. We know that now it's Christmas time. Thank you. Thank you. Music is incomplete till it is not accompanied with tapping of toes. So let's watch a scintillating dance performance. person's vision to high heights, the raising of person's performance to a higher standard, the building of a personality beyond its normal limitations. So let's all hear some inspiring words from our leader.
तो प्यारे बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। गुड मॉर्निंग प्यारे बच्चों। आज हमारे विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य मैम, उप प्रधानाचार्य मैम व इंचार्ज मैम ने को बहुत बहुत हमें धन्यवाद करना है, क्योंकि जिन्होंने हमें आज क्रिसमस का त्योहार मनाने का ये सुनहरा अवसर दिया। प्यारे बच्चों, आज का क्रिसमस का त्योहार हम कोरोना के कारण स्कूल में तो नहीं मना पाए, लेकिन ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ना, इसने हमें फिर एक दूसरे के करीब ला दिया और हमने आज अपना क्रिसमस का त्योहार बड़ी अच्छी तरह मनाया, है ना। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने आज आए, क्रिसमस का त्योहार हम सब ने मिलकर मनाया। ओके। और प्यारे बच्चों, आपको क्रिसमस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। साथ ही नववर्ष जो अभी दस्तक दे रहा है, आने वाला है ना हमारा नया वर्ष, बहुत सारी खुशियों को लेकर आएगा। तो हमारे इस नववर्ष पर आप सबका नववर्ष मंगलमय हो। हमारी आपके साथ बहुत बेस्ट विशेस है। हमारी हार्दिक कामनाएं हैं कि अगला साल हमारा स्वस्थ बीते, हम स्वस्थ रहें और ये जो कोरोना है ना, ये हमें छोड़ दे और हम अपने स्कूल में दोबारा आ जाएं और फिर अपने बढ़िया से अच्छे तरीके से क्लासेस ज्वाइन करें और क्लास में मैम के साथ अपनी पढ़ाई की जो यात्रा है उसे आगे चलाएं। ओके चिल्ड्रन? ओके, चलिए तो नया वर्ष हम सब इस मंगल कामना के साथ आज की इस विशेष प्रार्थना सभा का समापन करते हैं कि हम नव वर्ष में फिर विद्यालय में आए और फिर हम एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर अपनी पढ़ाई की यात्रा को आगे ले जाए। तो आपको फिर एक बार क्रिसमस और नव वर्ष की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।